Hey guys, welcome to Lamas Farm. For today's video, we will share to you our effective natural dewormer. Watch our old videos as well because for sure there are questions in your mind about natural farming that might be answered there. Garlic is the main ingredient of our natural dewormer. All we have to do is to peel it. As we all know, garlic has many health benefits, not just to humans but also to animals. This is really effective because we were able to compare that chickens who are not given these mixtures has worms in their intestines when they got butchered. Next is we will cut the garlic into small pieces so it will be easier for the microbes to break down and multiply the nutrient content of garlic. We will now put it inside the glass jar. Don't forget to weigh it so you'll know how much molasses to put. Ratio is always 1:1. This process will take up to 1 month, but you can already get the first extraction in a week. You just have to add molasses again every other week. Labeling is very important so you'll know the schedule of harvesting. In using this natural dewormer, all you need to do is dilute 2 tablespoons in every 1 liter of water. If you see that your chickens are slowly growing, just double the dosage.